a beautiful collections just for you to elevate your living space. Shop our modern luxe collections now, a perfect way to give your space that classic touch. From unique and crafted decorative pieces to help you create a beautiful home. Thank you so much for stopping by. Handpicked with you in mind. The link will be in my description box down below. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor 2023. Let the design flow, baby. Designed by the boss. The boss is back. Welcome back, family. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, hey, my name is Linda / The Boss, CEO and founder of designbytheboss.com. The link will be in my description box down below. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor 2023. Let the design flow, baby. Designed by the boss. A big thank you to Dossier for sponsoring a portion of this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, you guys. In today's video, I am going to redecorate our entryway, and I am going to use one of my products. The link will be in my description box down below. This beautiful handbag ceramic vase, you can use it for your fresh flower or dry flower as well. And they are available in 3 different colors you can choose from to elevate your living space. Let's get it done like a boss. Okay, you guys, now let's talk about Dossier. The link will be in my description box down below. This is one of my favorite brands, okay? And I chose 3 different scents. Amberry Saffron inspired by MFK, Aromatic Ginger inspired by Louis Vuitton, Aromatic Star Anise inspired by Dior Sauvage Eau de Toilette. Dossier is luxury for less. If you want to give your boyfriend, girlfriend, or your wife, your husband the perfect gift, this one is the perfect one for you. They smell amazing. You are going to love the scent. They're not expensive at all. You don't have to spend money to get you high quality perfume because you can find the same scent at Dossier.com for less. The link will be in my description box down below. A big thank you to Dossier for sponsoring a portion of this video. As you guys can see, I have 3 different scents. Take a look at their website. Very easy to navigate, very easy to place your order, and they have so many different scents you can choose from men or women. They have it all for you, or unisex. You can choose candle. They have everything for you. A big thank you to Dossier for sponsoring a portion of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. The link will be in my description box down below, and also please keep on watching because I am going to show you a simple look for your entryway. And everything you see in this video, they are available on our website. As I said, this beautiful ceramic handbag shape vase, they are available on our website in 3 different colors you can choose from to elevate your entryway. You can use them to add your fresh flowers or fake one. As you can see, this is what I am doing right now. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like this video.
짙은 안개 속을 걷고 있어 외로운 그 발걸음. It's a long voyage. 정처 없이 떠돌다 어딘가엔 닿을까. 달빛은 찬란히 빛 알지 못한 어리석은 새벽이 밝아오면 알게 될까 시간은 흘러 지금의 나는 없겠지 한 걸음 또 한 걸음 떠나가
Okay, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by. As I said, if you're new, my name is Linda slash the boss. In today's video, I am going to show you our new collections. They are coming soon for fall and Christmas. I hope you like them. And guys, if you haven't subscribed on our online store yet, please do so, because everything we drop a new product, you are going to receive a notification. That means our product are back in stock. And thank you so much for stopping by. This is one of the beautiful collections, so pretty, everything are so beautiful. Let's get it done like a boss.
지금의 나를 기억해 한 걸음 또 한 걸음 더
Okay, you guys, as you can see, we have napkin rings, beautiful dineware set, so pretty, very luxurious. You see, we have like pumpkin dish for you, light fixture, coffee table, marble, and ottomans with high quality fabrics for you. And we have tons of beautiful pieces. I am so excited, guys, for you to see my beautiful collections. As you can see, we have like different decorative boxes. We have like different colors. Even I don't show you all of them, but we are going to see a lot of beautiful colors, you know, for fall and Christmas. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. Check the description box for the link so you can shop our beautiful collections to elevate your living space. We have it all for you: modern, contemporary, farmhouse. We have it. You have tons for you to elevate your living space. I hope you like it, and let me know in the comment down below, what do you think about these new collections?
I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay, konnichiwa, kijanoye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. If you are new, welcome, my name is Linda slash the boss. On my channel, I post tons of beautiful home decor ideas. If you are like home decor, this is the perfect channel for you. And thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check our online store, and we have a lot of beautiful pieces for you to elevate your living space. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home decor choose 2023. Let the design flow, baby. Designed by the boss.
Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
Bonjour amis, famille, moi, comment nous y? Si c'est la première fois tomber sur channel ça, moi, c'est Linda et m'a dit bienvenue. Si c'est pas la première fois tout ou là, moi, dis merci pour support ou. Channel ça, on poste un pile home decor ideas. Si vous t'avez aimé, fait partie de channel ça, t'en prie, pas oublier, abonner, liker vidéo ça et puis quitter un commentaire pour moi. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, moi, pour montrer vous nouveau décor que moi, pour le gagner dans online store moi. OK, je vais mettre le lien pour dans la description box là. Je vais montrer tout nouveau décor pour le gagner pour turn in pour fête Noël là. Si vous aimez, faites-moi connaître dans les commentaires là et puis ça ouais là c'est pas seulement ça seulement pour gagner nouveau produit qui venir toujours que me pour poster photo yo pour montrer nous et puis pas oublier si vous là pour la première fois tant pis likez vidéo ça et puis abonnez partagez avec vos amis et en famille ou montrer les belles bagages li va gagner la kaili et ou acheter pour la première fois dans store moyen ou save 10% ou un rabais de 10%. So, merci un peu pour support ou et c'était amis Linda / The Boss.